Hey there, okay. Let's show you the next lot of single bar formations, and these will be the shooting star and the hanging man. Okay, now the way this looks like, these only happen at the top of trends, right? They do not happen at the bottom of trends. Alright, so your shooting star, again, it doesn't really matter what candle it is, alright, but if you are at the top of a trend, it would be advisable if this one was a red, or a downwards bar, not a red bar, not a bull bar, but rather a bear bar. Okay, and it can be like that if you want, or it can be like that with a little wick on it. But at the end of the day, the real body, the shaded area part, okay, needs to be at least, 1/3 of the overall size. All right, so that's the shooting star, and the hanging man is basically the opposite. All right, and let's draw that line down there. Alright, and that one's the hanging man, because like this is like its head, and this is like its body, this is like its feet, and you know. Okay, so that's why it's at the top there. Okay, so these only happen at the top of trends. Alright, so let's go ahead and have a look on the charts to see what they will look like. Well, here's one right here. Okay, and this one's the hanging man. Alright, and it's a single pattern formation, and normally these will happen at the top of trends, and the best time to actually use those kind of formations are on the daily or the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so I mean, look, we've got basically, see like how this high over here is actually met the high over here and it started to come down. This is like a very strong double top. Okay, now how far this comes down, we don't know, but I'm thinking that we're pretty close. Let me just take a look. Okay, might actually get away with that. And okay, that actually works better. Alright, so here, I mean, we've got basically a shooting star it's almost double actually, but it's not exactly double, so it's a little bit in our favour, but not a whole great deal. This bar hasn't really closed off yet, so you're going to have to wait for this to close off, wait for the Sunday bar to close off, and wait for the new Monday bar to open and close before you make any decisions on Tuesday whether to go short on this particular one right here. Unfortunately, I've kind of left it a little bit too late. I don't really know whether this is just a little spurt down before it goes back up again. This seems to be like where the balls have basically come in towards the end of the day and pushed it back up higher. So there could be some sentiment on the Monday or the Sunday bar to push this up a little bit higher as well. And maybe at the end of Monday towards the beginning of Tuesday, we might see the trend which might be coming down to resume once again. But that there is right at the top of that that's resistance line, so that would be okay. And then I probably would have waited for this bar to finish and then go short. All right. Let's see if we can find some more. Okay, here is another one. Alright, this is a hanging man as well, and then it's confirmed with the next bar, with the engulfing bar right there, and then you can go short. Alright, now here is a shooting star. Alright, now the longer the wick, obviously the better. Okay, so let's see if we can find some more examples. Here is another shooting star. Alright, it's got a very nice long wick on there, so that's all good. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Oh, I'm not really finding any good examples here. Well, here's like a Well, this is like a doji, okay, but this will still act as a good point to go short from. But again, it's at the top of a trend, but it's the top of a midway point. So again, make sure you got all your support and resistance levels in. And if it actually matches up on one of your resistance levels, then you can go in and take that short position. Here is another shooting star as well, but it's kind of like midway point. There's different little variations. Here's another one, doji right at the top here. Make sure that your support and resistance levels are in the right area, and then go short on the next bar's confirmation. It's confirmed there. Now you can go short on that. Alright, so there you go. Okay, and I will leave you with that video, and I'll see you in a final note. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.